Hello, it's me, Info Expert Pro. Today's menu is porridge unripe plantain, which show you how to make this delicious, yummy food. Let's go. These are the ingredients to cook the unripe plantain. So we have palm oil, chicken broth, meat, onions, and so on. Let's start cooking.
Cheddar, cheddar, cheddar. I am God and I never fail. Cheddar, cheddar. Yesterday, today, and forever the same. Cheddar, cheddar. Just a pulau, cheddar, cheddar. Remember. Jehovah, and I am able. Is anything too hard for me? Is it ever too late for me? Whatever it is, I'm forever the same. Cheddar, I am God, and I never fail. Cheddar, cheddar. The barren a song to sing. Who makes the dead rise again? The first and last, beginning and the end, and I'm forever the same. Is anything too hard for me? Is it ever too late for me? Whatever it is, I am. I'm forever the same. Whatever it is.
Oh, yes! It's time to eat our delicious unripe porridge plantain. Hooray! Let me know what you think at the comment section. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe so that we can do more videos. Thank you for watching.